with parents that are academics, it's sometimes hard for them to fully understand what we do as creatives. I grew up in New Delhi, India, and now I live and work in LA. When I read the theme of the festival was to do with home and identity, I really wanted to focus on this idea of home and look at it through the eyes of my sister, through the eyes of my parents. I feel like AR sort of bridges this gap where I can create all of these characters and assets that feel special to me, but at the same time, I can shoot them, in an environment as if they're actors. The film, in some ways, is giving permission to break down these walls that we create with our family members. Involving them in my work, they've come to understand it more. When we externalize it in the form of a piece of art, then it gives you permission to walk past those walls and walk past those boundaries. Home for me, it's evolved from being a physical space to now becoming a concept.